Hi everybody, Charlie Molina here with the PDR Shop. Let's take a moment to look at this roof on a 2015 Chevy Silverado that was damaged in the hailstorms in San Antonio 2016. You can see here it's heavily damaged, and this was a candidate to have the roof cut off and replaced and then have it repainted. But we believe that this is a roof that can be saved by the PDR process. Now by PDR I mean paintless dent repair, and that's going to be repairing each one of these dents one at a time and saving the original finish on this roof. Now let's take a look at the finished product here. This is the original roof, the original factory paint, and there was no need for conventional repairs on this vehicle. You can see here in the pictures, it looks great. The moldings are going to be replaced, even with the ridges and the high strength steel in today's vehicles. PDR is a great candidate to save roofs from being replaced. It's a great way to have door dings, minor dents, and even extensive hail damage repaired. So if you have a hail damaged vehicle and would like to have it repaired using PDR, that's paintless dent repair, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.